convert YouTube videos into notes using NotebookLM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert YouTube videos into notes using NotebookLM. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the YouTube video that you want to convert into notes. After that, copy the link of the video from the address bar. Now, open NotebookLM in your browser and sign in to your account. Next, create a new notebook so you can add your source material. After creating the notebook, click on Add Source and paste the YouTube video link. Once the link is added, NotebookLM will analyze the video and extract the key information from it. Now, go to the chat section and ask NotebookLM to summarize the video into clear notes. Within a few seconds, NotebookLM will generate structured notes based on the video content. You can also ask it to create bullet points, key takeaways, or a detailed summary depending on your needs. Finally, copy the generated notes and save them in your document or study material. That's all for the video.